Second trip to Slovakia, and I've got to rush along and get to that. I had just arrived in the Tatra Mountains, and a Slavic family who I've become friends with one morning rushed into my little hut, and they were very excited, and they said, UFO, UFO. So I ran outside, and they said, no, on TV, on TV. And on Slavic national television, they had ran one time a video of a circular, brilliant object that had flown over the new nuclear power plant, which had just gone into operation. The thing came in, dropped down to low level, went over the old power plant, which is on the left, and these pictures were taken by me at great risk, believe me. This is the top security installation in Slovakia. At that time was heavily under Russian control, and they have a lot of MiG-29s. But it goes over the active stack, and it hovers there for 10 minutes, and then ascends vertically. The cool thing is that when it started coming in, all the security video cameras on the installation started filming. So they had film of this thing in great detail from all kinds of cameras. So I had my friend, the father of this family, call Slavic National TV and ask him if I could get a copy, sure, of this video. And in the meantime, I'm on my way to Levis to try to find witnesses that can speak a little English. And I found a lot of people that were willing to say, I saw it, yeah, but no details. And the station manager actually did call Mios back, and of course she said, well, you know, the military took that video, so we're not going to get to see that.